Hey Jerry, this is the toilet, this is the sink, and they put the bathroom here, the shower. Okay. I know you didn't want the shower, but the guy put the connection because he has to follow the plans. If you don't follow the plans with me, he's gonna get fired. So if you want, we could seal that part off, and then we could just seal that part off. That's no problem. There's the kitchen. Okay. This is the kitchen. Okay, the island's gonna be right here. Okay, you got the cabinet space. Okay. There go the plumbing for the roof. You remember you said you want to close these windows? So there go the connection for the TV. Okay. Oh, there's the connection for the TV right here. Okay. Okay, there's the window. There's the second window. Okay. There's the pool. Okay, you say you didn't want it too deep. Okay. M'a fait vidéo nous non? M'a fait vidéo nous. Mettez en bas, figure nous papa. That's the sitting area. There's the stairs to go down the pool. Okay. And this is the open area right here. You want it open? Okay. Remember they have to, bring the floor to normal. That's why you see it's a little the way it is now. Okay. Let's go up the stairs. There's the stairs. Here. This is a room. This is the master bedroom. You say you want a big window in the front. Okay. Here's the bathroom. This is the bathroom, okay? Right now we're gonna pour we're preparing to pour concrete, okay? So here is the second bedroom. This is the bathroom, okay? Right here is another bedroom. A small closet, the window, and in the bedroom. Here you can see the pool. There's the house in the back. Okay, there's your closet. This is a smaller bedroom, okay? Now you go here. There's another bedroom. Small bedroom. Okay. And this is the closet space. Okay. So you have the 4 bedrooms upstairs. And there's one bathroom. The second bathroom is in your room, and the third bathroom is downstairs. Okay. Here is the bedroom here. Same bedroom. Okay. And there's the closet space, and there's the windows. Like you said, you didn't want no windows, so they closed the windows up, okay? Okay, this is the master bedroom. There's a big master bedroom, and there's the closet. I mean the bathroom. Okay. And that's it. So we're gonna close this all off. There's the window you said you didn't see on the second floor. This is the window, okay? All the bedrooms, you didn't want no windows on the side, you just wanted the windows on the front, so they made the windows bigger. And from the bottom, you can see the pool. This is the neighbor house. This is the second house. Okay. No, these bedrooms, you could put a nice twin size bed to make it spacey. Okay, the closet is big. Another bedroom, like I said, you could put a nice twin size bed or a full size bed that could take up the whole space right there. The closets. Okay. So once we pour this concrete on the top next week, we're gonna start stuccoing the outside, and all the floors are gonna be smoothing out. We're gonna clean everything, and hopefully by the end of August, we should be 80% complete. Okay? This is where we at now. The master bedroom is huge. You could put a king size bed in the master bedroom. Okay? Here, like I said, you can put a nice size bed here, depending on the angle you put it. Okay? Right here is going to be a perimeter wall. Your land finish here. This is where your land is. So all this is your space. This is your septic tank, and it goes straight up from this end all the way. So you see where the cars, you can park your cars here. You have a lot of space. That's the brilliance of building two-level home on a small piece of land. And this is your neighbor's house. Okay. This is your septic tank. Okay. So all this is we're going to raise the property up, and this is how it's going to look. Okay, in the front, okay, there go your 2-car parking space. 1, 2. 2-car parking space. Okay. See what that post is your land. And there's 2-car parking space right here in the front. Okay? This is the side view of the property. So once we pour this slab, we're gonna have these guys start setting up scaffolds around here so they can start stuccoing the outside. We have another crew that's gonna start stuccoing the inside, and then we should be able to start priming in 3 weeks. Almost fell. Okay, there go the steel on the floor. Okay, this is the front of the house. And this is the side of the house. remember I told you the side of the house, you see how it's so narrow, we can't put a retaining wall. So we have to put the retaining wall on the pool side. So you see how we did the house in the back? We have to put the retaining wall, the perimeter wall right there, and close that part up. And then we're gonna put like bushes to cover the house space. So this window here is a big window. Okay, you see the plumbing for the bedroom, for the bathrooms. Okay. The window, we only have 2 windows on the top. All the windows are sealed and closed like how you wanted it. Okay. Okay, this is the back of the house. Okay. This is the back of the house. And there's the pool. You said you only wanted 5 feet. You see the size of it? Okay. The only thing they didn't put is that water fountain. That's the only thing they haven't put. But I don't know if you still want the water fountain, because if you're gonna have an area for you to put, if you're gonna have an area to do your little volleyball, a water fountain is gonna be in the way. So it's not a good idea to put a water fountain there, okay? And you see all that space outside on this end right here, that's all your land where you're gonna have some grass or whatever you want. And you could just have like a sitting area or a little gazebo, you know? But this house is beautiful. It's gonna be beautiful.